Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get your docking station and your touch right for an ACER W510 if I'm not mistaken. Please note that this may work for some models and not for all of them, but in particular this one would work. So before we get started, a couple of things you would need. There's an OTG cable with a USB mini port, if I'm not mistaken, a USB multi-adapter, and a USB with Windows 8.1 already extracted as an ISO. You can just check some more videos. I will see if I can link details and links in the description for you guys. So I won't rush to publish this video, but if it works for you, it should work. So just remember, it is to basically activate your touch sensor and your sound drivers, your Wi-Fi driver, your on-display keyboard, and all that stuff. So I'm going to show you how to get that. In another video, I'm going to show you a video inside this video, if that makes sense. I'm going to give a shout out to the guy that really helped me. It is not ACER support, but I would prefer not to say which support it is. So first of all, your tablet, laptop is not going to switch on. It is going to switch on, but it's going to be stuck on the booting menu. So what you can do, you can change the BIOS, I would say. Yeah, anyways, I'll get back to that. Please excuse me, this is my first video and I'm super nervous, and I really hope this helps you guys. That's actually the main focus. So without further ado, this is how it looks like. I'm going to move over and show you how you can get a driver. So once you have installed your Microsoft or Windows 8.1 and your PC starts up, please note that you will need an extra wired or unwired mouse and keyboard, because your keyboard on your docking station won't work on your touchscreen as well. I'm going to show you how to get the right driver with a one fix solution. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you guys. So on your old Internet Explorer, which comes installed into your Windows, you'll just go to your search bar and clear that, and then go to catalog for a moment. Catalog.update. I'll leave the description as well in the comment box. .microsoft.com. So it is catalog.update.microsoft.com. I'm just going to paste it over here. It's supposed to redirect to this weird site. Okay, so on the bottom you'll see this website wants to install the following add-on: Microsoft Update Catalog from Microsoft Corporation. This is secured, so I trust it. And I also have an antivirus program, so you can just click install and it will install. So just wait a few moments for that. Just click yes. You want this app. Do you want this? Hello, sorry. Anyways, just click yes. So now everything is set. Just wait for the site to load. If that does not happen, hit the refresh button. So you'll see on your right hand side of your screen, just type in next, NEXT, window, WINDO, then search. Notice the view basket button below the search. So you will scroll down until you see 9.2 megabytes. So we're going to download NextWindow, input NextWindow, Voltron touchscreen, Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1 and later drivers. Please note that I have not tested this with Windows 10 yet. I'm not willing to do that because it's a headache, and I think you guys can agree with me there. So just click add, and below your search bar you'll see on the right hand upper corner you'll see view basket 1. So don't worry, you won't pay anything. Just click download, and then another window will pop up choosing you to basically select a folder which you want the download to be located in. So you just click browser, click yes again if it's prompt, and then you will see over here your files and everything on here. So I want to install it on my desktop, or let me just rather install it just for a clean. I'm going to install it into the music folder, which is quite weird. Justin Bieber, hi. Anyways, now I'm just going to do the desktop. Click OK, and then your download will start. If I click continue, your download will start. So you'll see the progress, and it should not take long. It should not take over a minute to download, depending on your internet speed. So the progress is done at the moment, and you can just close it, and you can also exit from this window. Mind screen. Over here you will have to locate the file that I've just downloaded, which is this one. NextWindow input, NextWindow Voltron touchscreen. So open that file, and I would recommend that you don't use don't use a WinRAR program. So you click on the first one only once, click on Control A to select all, and then you can right click, copy, go back to your folder, NextWindow input, NextWindow Voltron touchscreen, and right click, paste. So all the files in the zip will paste over here. I won't recommend that you delete the zip file. Don't delete it. Scroll down until you see NW Voltron Setup Lite Desktop 3.1.6.0.f.exe. Just open it, and you'll be prompted again for it to load. Well, anyways, it will ask you permission. Just click yes and just continue with the steps. After they install, and when you close the setup wizard, I would recommend that you switch off your computer. And I think that is that for now. So on the side, when you start up your computer, there will be some abnormal, I don't know what you call it, the BIOS will update, and I don't know what everything will update, but if there's a problem when you restarted your computer, it will say that something failed or could not be installed. That's fine. I've also had the same issue, if I can say it like that. Yeah, so I really hope this works. If this works, please just say yes or whatever in the drop down, and I hope it works for you and you don't struggle. So yeah, I think this is the end of the tutorial. I really appreciate your like and your feedback as well.